Hi everyone, welcome to day 2 of Meditation for 40. My name is Tina and I am so honored to be here with you on this amazing journey. Today's meditation is based on the teachings of Anna Forrest. We will be exploring what it's like to send the breath to different parts of the body. But before we begin, I invite you to get into a comfortable position, maybe seated or lying down. And lower or close your eyes. Taking a moment to notice where you have landed today, both in your mind and in your body. So to begin, notice the sensation of your breath. See if you're breathing into your chest, into your belly, maybe a little bit of both. Noticing if your breath is shallow or deep, quick or slow. Not judging anything, just noticing. And take a moment to notice what's happening in your mind. See if there's anything going on there that you don't need during our time here together, or maybe just in your life. Maybe you're thinking about past conversations, something you need to or wish to do later. Maybe there have been some negative self-talk happening in your mind. Whatever it may be, see if you can allow it to go with your exhale. Maybe today imagine placing it on a cloud and watching that cloud get further and further away until you don't see it anymore. And trust that if it's something important that you need to remember later today, it will still be there for you when you need it. You just don't need it right now. From here, scanning your body starting from the top of your head. Kind of feel around and see what's going on. Notice if there's any tension in your head, in your eyes, in your jaw. Maybe there's a headache starting. And keep moving down your body into your neck, your shoulders, your chest, your back. Is there anywhere that is crying out for help? Anywhere that needs your attention? Maybe there's some kind of physical pain, discomfort. Or maybe there's something going on emotionally that you can feel somewhere in your body. What could be causing this discomfort in your body? Is it maybe the way you sit at your desk or on your couch? Are you holding tension somewhere? Are you neglecting an old injury? Something that may be nagging? Continue scanning your body, down your legs, into your feet, your arms and your hands, fingers and toes. Noticing what's there. Not judging it to be good or bad, right or wrong. Just noticing. From here, I invite you to take deep inhales in through your nose, into your belly, and long, slow exhales out. See if you can let go of all the air inside of you. And again, deep inhales in through your nose, allowing your belly to expand, filling in as much air as you can. Long, slow exhales, releasing everything. Now see if you can send your breath to whatever part of your body is crying out for help. Imagine your breath is going into that part of you and flowing out of your body. If it helps, maybe imagine a color that you associate with love and kindness. Sending that color with your breath to that part of you. Moving energy into and out of that part of you. If your mind wanders, be kind and compassionate with yourself. And just gently bring your awareness back to the sensation of your breath. Sending loving kindness energy in and letting go of any tension, negativity, or anything you don't need right now. Notice if anything starts to shift in your body. Does anything start to feel better? Maybe relax, soften. Maybe some emotional healing begins. Taking a few more deep inhales, long, slow exhales. Noticing the surface beneath you, supporting you. Maybe you feel the breeze or the air on your cheek. And if your eyelids are still closed, maybe you notice a flickering of light behind your eyelids. And before we close for today, I'd like to share a quote by Thich Nhat Hanh. Freedom is not given to us by anyone. We have to cultivate it ourselves. It is a daily practice. No one can prevent you from being aware of each step you take or each breath in and breath out. The light in me sees and honors the light in each and every one of you. That light is a place of love, of kindness, of compassion, and of peace. When you are in that place in you, and I am in that place in me, there is no difference between us. Together we are the same. We are one. Namaste.